As my role here in Tree is I'm a marketing manager, and I'm responsible for all our marketing activity above the line for all our channels, and it impacts on television, newspaper and online activity. And one of our focus activity in marketing at the moment, and it will be in the future, is online activity. It's a main focus, also in above the line campaign. Actually, we are here in Tree in Copenhagen, and this is the head office we have here. We are the market leader for mobile broadband in Denmark, and also in Scandinavia, Sweden as well. The mobile broadband are the best alternative to the fixed line. You have to be, you can be mobile with your laptop, with your other devices, also on phone. We have the new technology here, 3G, and we are the market leader for that in Denmark. We're working in a fast environment here. Okay. So when we were making a campaign, a marketing campaign, we have to generate leads fast, and we have to be control over our leads, and that's why it's very important we have some good tools we can use in our campaign, and that's one of the reasons we are using follow-up. By using follow-up, we are going to keep our cost on communication down. We are able to send out targeted messages to our audience, and also keeping it relevant for the receiver. And it's getting higher response rates for each marketing campaign we do it, and it's very good for our marketing department to control the marketing campaign online. We can track our leads and get it to the right person in our sales department very fast and very quick. After each campaign, we can automatically share our performance with our sales department, our management, and internal have focus on which campaign is performing best. We started out with ordinary email marketing, but at the moment it has grown out to different departments. We use it for lead generation on the website. We actually use a toolbox from follow-up to generate leads to the sales department, and in our other departments we have it on a repair process. It's very simple setup with follow-up to generate answers or replies for repair, and also on our internal setup, our human resource department use it as well. We use it for our holiday request. So that's a simple setup and very fast setup, because the human resource department need a fixed tool to handle all the holiday requests. So they are very satisfied of follow-up as well. One of the most benefits we have here with follow-up, and that's why we still use it, is we don't have to involve our IT department. We don't have to involve other departments to generate some setup, IT setup for lead generation. That's one of the reasons we choose it.